Långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman är långt från svenska kusten skär men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd.
Alright guys, so here's some of the items you're gonna need. Here's a color. Here's a primer. And here's my choice of clear coat. So this is the steps it's gonna go in. Primer, if you want to use this color, you need a white primer at all times. So it can make this color actually exist. If you spray just this won't look like this. Clear coat, you need a high temp clear coat and a high temp primer. This one's not high temp, but it'll still survive. Let's go ahead and get started.
alla Fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Smått och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Alla fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest, fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Smått och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det alla barn. Fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest, fullfest hela dagen. Smått och stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är jula för att gå glad, ja. Det har vi alltid gjort, så det är fullfest, fullfest hela dagen.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above.
Alright guys, by the way, I do have brand new gaskets I got off eBay for like 10 bucks. Comes with everything. So we'll be throwing on new gaskets also. Keep that in mind. Whenever you want to do something like this, you always need to change the gasket. Alright folks, keep this in mind. The clear coat that I used turns like this orange-ish look. But that goes away once this valve cover gets to temperature. So just don't be scared. It'll get back to where it wants to be, which is this color here. But we gotta let it heat up, you know, and then it transforms to its original color. That's what happened with my calipers too.
Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the results of the valve cover right there. And I hope you guys like the color. Please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed just yet, go ahead, drop a like and comment also. Stay tuned for more mods like this one. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.